Hello everyone, I am Amandeep here. In this video again we will continue the word processing. So let's start with the next topic of word processing, that is applying character format. Formatting text in Word involves tasks like bold, italicizing the text, change the font size and color of the text. Word stores some common text formatting commands that performs these tasks, and these commands are available in the font group of Home tab. And also when we select the text and right click on the text, it will appear mini toolbar. We can also change the formatting by using this toolbar. So let's see how to format the text. To change the formatting, first of all we have to select the text first. Then to change the font, click on the Home tab and in font group, by clicking on this font drop down arrow, you can change the font of the text. And to change the size of the text, by clicking on this drop down arrow, font size, you can change the size of the font. And this grow font and shrink font, you can change the size by clicking on these two commands. Grow font is used to increase the size and shrink font is used to decrease the size of the text. And next is bold command. Bold command is used to bold the text. And to make the text italicized, we can use italic command. And to underline the text, we use underline. By using this drop down arrow, we can change the underline style. And also we can apply the color to the underline. This command is strike through. By using strike through, first of all select the text, then click on the strike through. This strike the text, and it is used in legal formats. And the next is superscript and subscript. By using subscript, the text will appear below the baseline. If we want to subscript this to, select the two and click on this command. Next is superscript. Superscript is used to, if we want to type x raised to power 2, then select 2 and click on the superscript. The text will appear at the above of the baseline. The next is text color. We can change the color of the font. First select the font and click on this drop down arrow, and you can change the color of the font by selecting any one of the color. And also you can make more colors by using this more color option. And you can also apply the gradients to the color. Next is highlight text. You can highlight your font by selecting the color from this highlight arrow. When you want to remove the highlight, again click on the highlight arrow and choose this option, no color. This is the text effect command. This is used to apply the effect to the text. Like this you can apply the text effects. You can also change the shadow, reflection, and you can also apply the glow to the text. So apply the outline color, which type of outline and the width of the outline you want. The next is change case. Change case command is used to change the text case to capital or small letters. This is the change case command, and by clicking on this drop down arrow you can see these options: sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, and toggle case. By selecting sentence case, the first character of the first word will be converted into capital letters, and by selecting lowercase, the selected text will be converted to small letters, and by selecting uppercase, the selected text will convert it into capital letters. And by selecting capitalize each word, the first character in all the words of the selected text is converted to capital letter. And the next is toggle case. By selecting toggle case, the small letters in the selected text will convert to capital letter, and the capital letter will convert into small letters. Now next is insert graphical objects and illustration. In this topic we will learn how to insert the clip art and picture in the word. The graphical object making the document look colorful and presentable. So to insert clip art and picture, click on the insert tab, and then to insert clip art, click on the clip art command in the illustration group, and you can see the task pane appear on the screen at the right side of the document, and you can search the image by using relevant keyword to the image. If we want to find the image of flower, then type the keyword flower and click on go or to press enter. You can see the images of flowers by scrolling down. which image you want to insert in the document. Click on the image. It will insert it in your document, and you can drag in or drag out. You can change the size by dragging or drag out the image. And you can also see the another tab appear on the ribbon, format tab. By using these commands in the format, you can change the image formatting. And clip art are predefined images available in document, and if you insert the picture from your computer, you can use the picture command in illustration group of insert tab. By clicking the picture, another insert picture dialog box appear, and you can select the picture, location of the picture, and insert it by clicking or by selecting the picture and click on the insert button. You can see the picture inserted, and also another format tab on the ribbon appear. Now you can also change the size of this picture. You can crop the picture, you can change the position, you can add the frames on the picture. The next is text wrapping. What is text wrapping? Text wrap enables us to surround the picture or diagram with the text. So when you insert the picture, you can see another format included in the ribbon, and it is only appear when you insert the picture or any image using illustration group. And you can change the wrap text or apply the wrap text by using this wrap text command in the arrange group in the format tab. Let's see how to apply wrap text. So look at the picture. You can see the changes in the picture and the text. By using this wrap text option, you can change or you can adjust the picture in the text. So one more thing left in the font group, that is font dialog box. You can also open the font dialog box by clicking on this launcher arrow in the font group. Now you can also change the font format of the font by using these options, and it has more options